Good morning. Day 2 in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. Dito kami ngayon sa International Plaza kung saan ang meeting place para sa aming very early tour. Time check, it is 6:59. So, ito yata ang ito siya. Yung tour guide natin. Okay. Ito pala ang aming tour guide. Yan. Okay. So, in a while, sakay na kami sa aming tour bus. Tapos babiyahe kami all the way to the Cu Chi Tunnels, which is a historical site kasi yun yata yung isa sa mga prominent place during the war. So, pero may stopover kami, I think, sa isang pabrika. Pero yung total trip from here to the Cu Chi Tunnels may yata almost 2 hours. Okay. Tapos na yung tour namin. Yung mga tunog na live bullets yan. Kasi firing range para ma-experience ng mga turista yung shooting experience gamit mismo yung weaponry during the war. So AK-47, machine gun. Pero sabi ng tour guide namin, honestly speaking, it's not worth your money. Kasi 10-20 minutes, ubos na kaagad in 5 to 15 seconds lang. So, hindi na natin susubukan. May ilan kaming kasama sa group na susubok. Anyway, I don't know kung tapos na yung tour namin, pero dito na muna kami maghintay. Alright. Alright. Ngayon, susubukan namin pumasok sa Cu Chi Tunnel. So, iba-iba yung distance depending on your preference. 20, 40, 50, 60, up until 150 meters. So, medyo madilim dito. Nakakonto. Pero, yan. Try natin. So, ang susubukan namin is yung 20 meters. 20 meters.
No, I won't.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna take a look.
Medyo steep. Steep yung pababa. Okay. Sa sikip nito, duck walk lang ang pwedeng gawin dito. Okay. walk lang. Tapos, pag pumasok ka, there's no turning back. Kailangan talaga, sa simula pa lang, decided ka nang pumasok. Kasi, walang atrasan, walang kurungan. Hindi ka makakalingon sa likod. Mahirap.
Oh, it's hot.
So, yan. This is 20 meters.
20 minutes. Oh, that might be my not going 20 minutes.
Alright.
Look at me at the medical
kami.
bunker. Okay, medical bunker. 20 minutes. Yeah,
Dakbok lang talaga.
20 minutes. Go up there. Maybe this is enough. 20.
Where's 20? Here.
Why stop? Keep moving.
I think 20 is okay.
20.
20.
20 meters? Okay.
Look at me in the medical bunker.
Okay, medical bunker. See you there.
Alright. So, this is it. Ito na yung 20 meters. May mga kasama yata kaming pupunta sa up to 100 meters.
See?
Okay. Matras na sila.
They're too slow.
Initially, decided sila to go for 100 meters pero nagbago isip nung masubukan tong first 20 meters.
It's too hot. You changed your mind? I changed my mind. It's too hot. Why? With your friend. It's too hot. You changed your mind?
Wow.
Friend?
Ang hirap. Yung mas malalim pang tunnels, yung 100, 150, meron ng gapang nakasama. Ito, duckwalk lang talaga eh. Medyo manageable pa. Kung kaya ng tuhod. Pero, yung mas malalim pa, yun. Ano na, may gapang ng kasama. Grabe, mainit, madilim. At talagang masakit sa tuhod. But yeah, it was a nice experience. Alright. So, after roughly 2 hours, tapos na yung tour namin dito sa Cuchi Tunnels. So from the firing range and souvenir shop, may ilan na kaming stops. Kasama na doon, of course, yung actual experience ng Cuchi Tunnel. So ngayon, papunta na kami sa restaurant kung saan kami magla-lunch, which is about 15 minutes away mula dito sa Cuchi Tunnel. Okay. Okay. So, mula doon sa restaurant kung saan kami lunch, andito na kami ngayon somewhere along the Mekong Delta. Sasakay kami ng, I think, ferry para pumunta doon sa Unicorn Island. Tapos, from there, tutuloy namin yung tour. Okay. finally, after a long day, balik na kami dito sa aming condo. Pero bago tuluyang umakyat, eto kami at gagastos. Bibili lang ng kape. Bibili lang ng kape. May nagke-crave ng kape. Hindi pa nga kami nakapag coffee daw actually. So, it's convenient. Ito yung coffee shop na nasa ibaba lang ng aming condo unit or condo tower. Okay. Charcoal cheese bagel, chocolate bagel, okay. Ayan. So, ito kami. Gagastos and bibili lang ako. Bibili lang ako. Linyahan ng mga gasidor. Deserve namin ito. Kasi buong araw kami pagod. So ito na yung last stop namin and then after this, akit na kami. So final answer na yan. So,